happy birthday, Prabhu bhai. Prabhu bro. The birthday.
Oh, thank you. Thanks.
Oh my
birthday boy with
birthday.
us.
Oh, you know what? The treat for the birthday is coming tomorrow. The CSK win is coming tomorrow.
After the match.
Yeah, I am pretty excited for this new season. It's totally new for us as for the first time we are not going to in the stadiums. We are cheering here from the home. So it's quite a new thing for all of us, and we are pretty excited. Yeah, still it's happy because it's somewhere going on at least. At least we can see the live matches. So that's the biggest thing. And yeah, there's something that's a sad part. We can't go and watch our players live and meet them. That's something missing. But hopefully we'll do this thing in the next year.
More than the cricketers not going to see us, we are not going to see them live. That's the biggest X factor we are missing. Not just in Chennai, we have been giving a very strong presence, even be it the Wankhede or be it the Eden Gardens. So that's what we are known for. Spread the yellow wherever we go. So this would be missed, obviously. But then these are unprecedented times. It's not in our control. So we are all adapting to the new normal. We are trying to figure ways to see how we could back the team wherever we are and ensure that our support reaches them wherever we are. And obviously, we believe in the team. If there's some team which can go through the toughest situations, you all know it's the CSK.
See, one thing is very clear that Mumbai and Chennai are. They enter every season as straight favorites of the tournament, and there is no doubt about that fact. Yes, the rivalry is there, and it is an intense one. Every MI CSK game goes down to the wire and till the last over or third last ball or second last ball. But I feel as we know that Mumbai has more number of titles than CSK, so that is enough to prove. But then yes, considering the fact that CSK coming back after 2 years of ban, then winning the title again, that is something to be appreciated. It's a ritual sort of a thing in every second Indian household that कि अगर समर वेकेशन है, समर चल रहे हैं, रात में 8 बजे हैं तो सब टीवी के सामने ही बैठ जाते हैं. फिर वो CSK का मैच हो, हैदराबाद का मैच हो, दिल्ली का मैच हो, IPL तो चलता ही 8 बजे. फिर वो
and then Mahi is going to be back after 14 months. So that is so different.
I am a Mumbai Indians fan, but then a very big MS Dhoni fan, and I follow him religiously, and can't wait to go him and flip the coin tomorrow.
The best part about Mumbai CSK is both teams are a champion side, and even for example to say Mumbai won the last IPL, if they would have beaten a different team, they wouldn't be so happier as now. Correct. I bet. It's a win against CSK which gives them the cheer. It's like two competitive top teams of the league, which brings the best out of individuals. So each one's even because we are all Indian cricket fans first. So we all love our heroes as well. And we support the sport. And of course, there is always banter, troll, fun, as long as you don't cross the line. Everything is perfect. And this is the next 60 days is going to be that season where we have fun at the opposition. We enjoy our wins, pull down others for fun and all that, but we maintain our lines.
Had IPL been in India, I would have been busy planning my trip to Chennai or Mumbai to watch the final and the league stage. I stay in Nepal. Generally during IPL, we plan the trip and we travel together, me and Prabhu and our entire team.
More than the game, this year, because of all what's happening, which is not in our control, we have actually figured ways to stay connected to the fans worldwide. And we have actually brought together a lot of overseas fans. And this year, it doesn't matter whether you are in India or an overseas fan. We're all going to cheer digitally. And we have already lined up fans from various countries, from Boston to Australia to Europe to Middle East. We have all the fans lined up and we have actually grouped them in our WhatsApp groups.
Okay.
And as Sonal said, we are planning some Zoom calls before the game. And also there is something coming up that our fan walls, like live fan walls would be on the stadium where our live reactions would be captured. So we have set things up and this has actually given us an opportunity to connect to all the fans worldwide and bring them together. But having said that, this IPL has totally changed because it's also that we are all watching with the families at home. And you know what all we had to go through individually, industry-wise, career-wise. from a student to a working professional, and I'm sure this IPL is bringing smiles to all of them because it's the first thing happening now. So irrespective of who's gonna win, whatever, these teams going out for the toss itself is a big win for all of us.
CSK has undergone in the last 20 days or so. CSK has gone under some uncontrollable changes, you can say. Maybe Suresh Raina missing out may hamper their the 11, but I would say that if MS comes to bat at number 3, then the whole order can follow a flow. But then apart from that, I think Mumbai Indians looks really balanced. Only thing they are missing is an experience in their pace bowling, which is Malinga missing out. Apart from that, Mumbai Indians looks all decked up and just pumping to go.
One thing I feel confident about CSK is, what do you say? This is a blessing in disguise. We miss Raina, we miss Harbhajan, but this could be the surprise X factor because the opposition could not really know what is going to be 11, and they won't be prepared to see who's. You never know, a youngster might come in and then he might be the surprise factor. So we feel that you can't plan, and CSK, though there are talks that they might be rusty because of a little longer quarantine period and all that, but they were buoyed up and they practiced even in March. And we normally we are the slow starters, but I feel tomorrow we're gonna come up on top. And Bravo's played the T10 league in Abu Dhabi the last year, and obviously he lifted the trophy. So he knows the Abu Dhabi tracks well, and he's someone who can come in even after a break and still be rocking with those slow balls. So we feel Bravo could be the key if he comes in, because we're still not clear whether it's going to be in the 11, but I'm sure CSK is going to come out on top.
We are a champion side. We are the champions of IPL. 4 titles is no joke. And just play, express yourselves. And we all are. Most of us are playing after a very, very long gap. So just express yourselves and give your best. And we all know that we are going to come out with winning colors.
I would say just enjoy the game. We got a chance to play it again. It's a God blessings. So win or lose, leave it aside. खेलेंगे, जीतेंगे, हारेंगे, but मस्ती पूरी करेंगे ये 2 months.
Who have faced difficult times over the last few months. It's a long tournament, so don't worry about the result of today's game. Just go out and enjoy the game, and let's perform and send some smiles back home. That's.
And we will be there cheering for the team, regardless of the result.
I doubt really. They can be happy now, but we are wait and watch, because we are known to be consistent throughout, and our aim at the moment is just to go to the top 4. Then it's all about 3 games in a row. So
as a hopefully we'll see you in the finals.
so that we can square it off and say 4-4.